Saitama Inu coin is an emerging meme coin that is gaining market attention. Saitama Inu is a community-driven token that wants to develop solutions to educate the next generation of crypto traders. As data gathered from the project's website, Saitama has plans to develop its own ecosystem, including a marketplace, a smart wallet, an NFT-based launchpad platform, and a multi-channel content platform. Since its launching date, Saitama Inu coin has shown extensive growth in the crypto market. Saitama Inu coin has given a great return to its initial investors in 2021. The Saitama coin trading began on May 31, 2021, on the Ethereum network. Saitama has a total supply of 100 quadrillion tokens. 55% of that was already burned, 4% was reserved for initial liquidity and 45% is in circulation. In addition, Saitama is following the patented approach of deflationary tokens by burning 2% of each token. As we found the news in forums, the Saitama team wants to reduce its token supply and increase the value of Saitama. There are some other strategies like listing on premium exchanges that can also increase the value of Saitama Inu. Coin burning strategy of the Saitama Inu coin also can help this meme coin to achieve its new all-time high target. As all coins are showing bearish performance, Saitama prices can recover in 2022 with community support. Saitama Inu is a meme token like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. The Saitama Inu represents wolf, like Dogecoin, and Shiba Inu represents dog. Saitama Inu coin lives on the Ethereum blockchain network like Shiba Inu. The Saitama Inu coin was born like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu to represent the wolf. You can see the wolf on the logo of the Saitama Inu coin. Today Saitama Inu coin is one of the most popular meme tokens like the Shiba Inu coin and dogelon Mars. Recently Saitama Inu coin also got listed by some of the big crypto exchanges like Hotbit and Uniswap. With a strong community, definitely, Saitama Inu coin has a great future ahead. Saitama Inu coin is legit in the same way as other cryptos. While many crypto analysts recently doubt the legitimacy of the Saitama Inu coin. After such a long journey and community support, we can say that Saitama Inu coin is legit. Saitama Inu was also audited by the CertiK recently. However, a risk analysis is essential before investing in Saitama. If you're looking for the Saitama Inu coin price prediction or finding the potential of the Saitama coin, this long-term Saitama Inu price forecast can be helpful for you. This Saitama Inu coin price forecast is based on a deep technical analysis and past performance of the Saitama Inu. The Saitama Inu project can be interesting in the upcoming months as Saitama developers are taking bold steps. The holders of Saitama Inu coin are also increasing day by day. As one of the growing meme projects, Saitama Inu is working on many initiatives. Here we will try to analyze the potential of Saitama Inu in the long term. In 2022 Saitama Inu coin is looking slow and its falling continues. As per this price analysis, the average price of Saitama Inu in 2022 can be around $0.0000002451. The maximum price of the Saitama token can reach around $0.0000003513 if the market gets bullish. However, if the market turns down, the minimum price of Saitama can be around $0.0000001357 in 2022. But if there is a good bull rally in 2022, the Saitama coin prices may rise much higher than this Saitama price prediction. As for this Saitama Inu coin price prediction, Saitama Inu coin can reach a maximum price level of $0.0000006578 by 2023. The average price of a Saitama Inu coin can be around $0.0000004952. And if there is any bearish trend, the minimum price of the Saitama Inu coin can be down up to $0.0000003943. If more investors are attracted to the Saitama, the prices of Saitama Inu coin may surge more than this Saitama Inu price prediction. If everything goes smoothly, the Saitama Inu will create a new history in 2025 as a meme token. By this price analysis, the Saitama Inu coin can reach the maximum price level of $0.0000003978. And the average price of Saitama can be around $0.0000001394 at the end of 2025. If the market gets bearish, the minimum price of Saitama can go around $0.0000009436. There are many Saitama holders that are looking for 1 cent cap in 2025 for Saitama. But as we found that it's almost impossible for the Saitama Inu coin to hit 1 cent capital in 2025. In 2030 meme coins can see revolutionary changes, the same can be with the Saitama Inu. Some meme coins are going to hit 1 cent cap in 2030, and even some can hit a $0.1 or even $1 cap. As per our price analysis, the Saitama coin can also reach the maximum price level of $0.00011325 at the end of 2030. The average price of the Saitama coin can be around $0.00007943 with a minimum price level of $0.00006837. However, it's not accurate what will be the Saitama future, as meme coins prices behave like a roller coaster. As per our Saitama Inu coin price forecast, the Saitama Inu coin prices can hit a new all-time high level after such a long journey. By 2040, we may expect an average price of $0.0546 depending upon the market trend. The maximum price prediction for Saitama Inu coin is $0.0894 in 2040. While the minimum price level can be around $0.0394. If the market gets bullish, the Saitama Inu coin may surge more than our Saitama price prediction in 2040. Saitama Inu coin has great potential if you're going to hold it for the long term. The year 2050 can end with an average price of $2.43, while the minimum value of the Saitama Inu coin can be around $1.14. Along with Saitama Inu coin, many cryptos can hit their new all-time high this year. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $3.39. If there is any bull rally in 2050, the prices of Saitama Inu coin may skyrocket and surpass our price forecast.